नहमदुहु व नुसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूलल्लाह अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या हबीबल्लाह अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या नबीयल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या नूरल्लाह. My dear viewers, respectful listeners, first of all, I would say thanks to Almighty Allah who gives me this opportunity to speak at a very sensitive and hot topic of the moment, that is the Sharia status of karamat-e-awliya Azam. Keeping this moment as an opportunity, I would like to explain the faith of Ahl Sunnah. My dear viewers, from the beginning of prophethood and until today, there has never been a difference in this issue among the people of truth. Everyone believes that the virtues of companions, peace be upon them, and the great saints, may Allah have mercy on them, are true. And miracles have been appearing on the hand of people of Allah in every age, in every time. And this chain will never be end until the resurrections, God willing. So here questions arises. What is the faith of Ahl Sunnah? I have read and listened so many quotes from the different ulama Ahl Sunnah. But I would like to quote one sentence from a very noble scholar of Islam, the Mufti of Ummah, Hakim of Ummah, Hazrat Mufti Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. What a great sentence he says as a definition of karamat in Miratul Manaji, copy number 8 and page number 268. He says, miracle is that strange thing that appears on a hand of saint. So the truth, what can be a miracle of a prophet, can also be a dignity of saint as well, except the proof that except a miracle that is proof for the prophethood, like revelation and verses of Quran, etc. So please keep remember this faith of Ahl Sunnah in your brains, in your heart, and do not lose your confidence of the people of Allah, the saints of the Allah, karamat-e-awliya Azam. Sallu al-Habib sallallahu